Hi guys, hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can unzip or uncompress a compressed or a zip file and then bring it to a folder of your choice or move it to a folder of your choice. So now here I have a zipped file that I zipped in my previous example. So let me right click on it, and then I will choose, instead of send to zip, I will use the option extract all. When you click on extract all, you are given a dialog box like this. This gives you an option to uncompressing it in this location. So if I want to keep it on the desktop, I can simply hit extract. And as you can see, it extracts it right here on my desktop. Here is a folder in which the file is extracted. Now, let's say if I want to extract it to a different location than directly on the desktop, then I can right click again and choose extract all. And this time in this dialog box, I can hit the browse button and I can, let's say, choose documents and click select folder. So now it will extract to my documents folder. And as you can see in my documents folder, I do have this 2nd September course 2021. So it extracted the file from the zip directly into this location. It didn't really create another folder. So gave you two different options. Third one that I want to show you is how I can extract this to another folder on the desktop. The same way, you right click, click extract all, and then when you are provided with this dialog box, you click the browse button, and this time you choose desktop. On the desktop, I will choose the files folder, and I'll click select folder and extract. And here you can see the 2nd semester file is available right here. So this is how you can extract files from a zipped file into other folders on your computer, or you can simply extract it to a folder of its own. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.